Sometimes there's hard decisions in life. Choosing between team managed and enterprise managed Jira projects shouldn't be. Let me explain the details in comparison of both.
Today we're going to talk about team versus enterprise managed projects. So we're going to go through where you would get actually that prompt. So we're going to create a project at the very top here. We're going to select our template. I'm going to do Scrum. There's more project templates here. We're not going to go over. We're going to select Scrum. This template is going to give some background on how it works, what issue types, what kind of workflows there. I'm going to use this template here. And this is where you get that prompt, team managed versus company managed. And so really important, this caution here saying that once you create the project, you can't switch it over later. So it's important you know the differences, so you're making sure you're using the right project because you're not going to be able to switch it later. There is a workaround, which I'll show you in another video, but you have to export and then import into this other project with some editing as well. So not recommended, but there is a workaround. But let's talk about this so we can understand which one's right for you so we can pick it in the first place. Starting on the left side with team managed. So what is team managed? Overall, this is a more simplified version for your team. You can set it up yourself, doesn't impact any other teams. You can have some simple workflows, ticket types, some simple access level permissions, very quick, very fast, and a lot of value for the amount of time it takes to set this up. Also, some things here is roadmaps, you get some metrics. I think that a lot of this is actually, again, really good for teams. 80% of teams can fall through and use this team managed, no problem at all. Again, just a simplified version. You're probably asking me, well, why would I use this? Like, what kind of use case? Well, I would set this up if you're a small team, really, so you can move quicker, not a lot of options, and also it depends on the Jira admins. If it takes a lot of time to change things, or those people that are Jira admins have multiple hats or multiple roles, it might take a long time to change things. And that can hinder your team from producing those business objectives, those technical deliverables to your teams, because you can't modify anything quick enough. So that's what I would edge towards the team managed project. For the company managed, let's talk about that. So this one's more complex. A lot more powerful, but it's managed by that central Jira admins. So if they are having multiple hats and this is the fourth role they have, that one might be difficult. But the thing is, it's very powerful. You can customize a lot of workflows, ticket types, who can see what, in different changes of workflows. And so very powerful, a lot more customization. And also you get a lot more metrics. You get comprehensive Agile reporting here, really important. You get a more visibility into your team, and also you can pull other issues from other projects into your board. Really important when you're working with multiple teams. You can pull that visibility and those dependencies in there. So really powerful. And so you're asking me, well, why would I use this over team manage? Well, if you have a large program, you have multiple teams, multiple Agile teams, 5, 6 teams plus, and that Jira admins, you work closely with them, maybe a smaller company, you get changes quicker, I would highly recommend company managed, just more powerful. And so depending on your situation, there's no one size fits all for these two. And so depending on your situation, whether you're a small team and you want to manage your own project and changes as quickly as you want them, or company manage for larger complex teams and that work to change anything in your project is a lot quicker, lean towards company managed. Like I said, there's no one size fits all. Gave you some information about what you can do to pick the right project so you don't have to change it in the future. But again, choose what's right for you, what's best for your team to move quicker and deliver those business objectives and technical outcomes. What do you prefer? Team manage or company manage within your group? Please leave in the comments below. I'd like to discuss with all of you to see what your preferences are.